up, Chase?
How are you?
How's it going?
Good to see you.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, come on in. Everything good?
Pretty good. I mean, I think just loosening up the normal spots that you've been getting on me, that left low back.
But so far, things are
Yeah, it was,
loosening up.
for sure. It's improving. I feel more stacked and relaxed in my body, and you help me a lot with my right shoulder now. It feels like my cross body swing is a lot more loosened up, which is nice.
Let's do the usual adjustments. Glad your body's responding well, and you're ready to roll this weekend, right?
Yes, sir.
Did you do any training today?
Yep, we played against Phil Dahlhauser and old partner Avery Dross.
Oh, nice.
Which was good.
Okay, good practice.
You should hit your shots a little higher. Yeah, play well.
The thin beast, is he still a beast?
I don't think he ever won't be.
He really changed the game, didn't he?
For sure.
Breathe in, breathe out. Again, out.
There she got. Oh la baba.
As I bring you up, relax your body. As I bring you up, relax your body. Okay. As I bring you, as I go and try to drop your shoulders over. Take it off. This is the spot here, see it? Getting some good adjustments today. We'll be ready tomorrow. Relax. Left. Okay. Now look down. A little bit better, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Now look back up again. Awesome. Okay. All right. You take out the door. You gotta give me the signature that on this official ball that we have here. Do the gun.
Where you want it, right here? Cool.
Yeah, yeah. Awesome.
Can you sign it too?
I'll put my name on it later.
Hell yeah.
So, folks, check out Chase this weekend. Huntington Beach, right? This is the first tournament of the season.
First tourney of the season.
Yeah.
Yep. 3 big ones to make the league, so everyone's fighting for it. A lot of great teams out there. Bill Klinsky and I have been working hard, and we're ready.
Okay.
And grateful for you.
No problem. And so tomorrow, do you have a schedule? Or it's Thursday, right?
Yeah. So we're in the qualifiers. We're playing at 11 a.m. tomorrow on court.
11 tomorrow.
Yep.
And then make sure you guys follow his IG accounts to see any updates throughout the weekend. All right, let's do
Chase
this.
Frish, let's do it. South Bay Chiropractic, good hands.
Watch out, folks. Yeah, it's a chiropractic.
Rock and roll.
All right.